Hi everyone, let's talk about cargo for cargo bike ride. I used to drive like for past few years bikes like that, and as you can clearly see, I am using always some kind of bags underneath like the seat and something like that, and I wanted always to have one over here. That's why I've made this one. Some kind of variations, many different kind of, but this one, it is not fully complete, but it's interesting. You can just like put it onto this spot and it should just work. I don't know if the mount for it is alright or something, but this is really really good. I don't like that one still. That is the thing I am thinking about still, but the floor of it is like not that good designed or made. Design was better. Assembled on the bike, it is looking like that. It's one thing is missing over here, but this is it. This is how the bike is looking like that, with the bike rack on it. You can like put over here yeah, let's say many different kind of things, and it could just work just fine. It is still like some kind of work in progress, but I wanted to show the progress of it, the progress of this thing which I've been working on. This is the real deal test of it when you can just ride with beer through the city. The center of the cargo is on the right spot and it is feeling completely secure. I am enjoying the ride as usual. Really cool stuff. Okay, the first test was successful, but the project needs a little bit work on it still. It's looking really promising and nice, but as everything, it needs a little bit of time. That's why if you could just like leave some comment, some positive feedback, or if you want some cargo rack like that for test, then just leave me a comment. I will try to make some like 10 pieces of it, or maybe even more, to send it to you anywhere you are, and you could just like tell me if it is working or what could I change. Thank you, and hopefully see you soon. Bye.